Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 25th of April and we will cover all the important current affairs questions of the day. First, let us see question for the day. You have to answer this question in the comment section, and on weekend, that is on Sunday, that is on next day, we will see how many of you were the most consistent in answering all the questions correctly throughout the week. So the question is, International Girls in ICT Day 2020 is being observed on. These are the list. Read the options carefully and then answer in the comment section. To get PDF of all these videos, you have to join me on Telegram by writing Students Point 2020 on your Telegram app. Write Students Point 2020 without any space, without any special character. You will be referred to the channel directly. Thereon you will get all the PDFs. So the first question, Benishan or Banganan Palli, which is a variety of mangoes, is widely grown in. So Benishan or Banganapalli, which is a variety of mango, is widely grown in the state of Telangana, and it is widely grown in Jagital district of Telangana. This variety of mango is also called as Jagital mango. Why it has been in use? Because its production and its sale has been affected because of COVID-19 pandemic. And today I have also uploaded the second part of weekly current affairs on Study to Light. I will share the video at the end, or you can also just Google Study to Light channel without any space. You will be referred to the channel Study to Light. Thereon you can watch this video, second part of weekly current affairs. And those who have not taken the test till now, I would suggest them that please go and take that test. It will help you a lot. Don't hesitate. Don't be fearful about it. Do as many mistakes here, but you are never allowed to do any mistakes. Even a single mistake can cost you very heavily in your examinations. So don't let that happen. Go and take that test. It will help you a lot. We will organize the second test on Monday again. So take that first test, score yourself. Even if you are fearful of writing your marks in the comment section, don't worry. At least you should take that test. And with every week passes on, I guarantee you that your marks will improve, provided that you remain attentive throughout the video and you follow both the series of this daily current affairs on Students Point as well as the weekly current affairs series, which I upload every week in two parts on Study to Light. So after following both this series, all of your current affairs questions will be solved by both of this series. So let's move ahead. Anthurium in news recently is a plant. So here B is the right answer. This Anthurium is a vast group of beautiful blooming plants available in wide range of colors. They also purify the surrounding air and remove harmful airborne chemicals like formaldehyde, ammonia, toluene, xylene and allergens. So it is very important to remember that these plants are purifier of clean air. And why it was in use? Because recently Vasani Bai, who is a woman innovator from Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, has developed 10 varieties of this Anthurium by cross pollination. So National Innovation Foundation, in short 8NIF, has facilitated mass multiplication and large scale production of these varieties of Anthurium. And we will see National Innovation Fund in the upcoming question. But first let us see hashtag my book my friend campaign has been launched by. So this hashtag my book my friends campaign has been launched by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So here A is the right answer. Now let's see the following statements about National Innovation Foundation. See, be attentive. So this National Innovation Foundation was set up in year 2000 to provide support to grassroots innovations in the country. This is correct. That is why it has supported that lady to produce that variety of that plant in large scale. And this National Innovation Foundation operates under Department of Science and Technology. This statement is also correct. So here both these statements are correct. C is the right answer. And this National Innovation Fund organizes an annual competition. This annual competition is called as Ignite, and this competition is organized in association with CBSE. Next question, which is the second largest producer of sugarcane? So India is the second largest producer of sugarcane, and Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. So remember both these countries, Brazil and India. And these are the states which are the largest producer of sugarcane in the country. These are Uttar Pradesh, which is the largest producer of sugarcane in the country, but you have to remember top 5 states at least. So remember UP, followed by Maharashtra, followed by Karnataka, then followed by Tamil Nadu, and then by Bihar are the top 5 sugarcane producing states. I repeat, UP ranked first, Maharashtra ranked second, Karnataka ranked third, Tamil Nadu ranked fourth, and then Bihar. So there is a trick. UP, you have to come down. In the map of India, you have to come down slowly. UP ranked first, then second is Maharashtra, third is Karnataka, and then fourth is Tamil Nadu. Then again at the end, to fill the loop and to fill the curve, you have to move up again to Bihar. So these 5 are top producing sugarcane states. And sugarcane grows well on deep, rich, loamy soil. They can ask on which soil this sugarcane grows easily. So it is on deep, rich, loamy soil. Next question. Global Press Freedom Index is published by. So this Global Press Freedom Index is published by Reporters Without Borders, and this was a previous day question. Next question. Consider the following statements about Operation Twist. This is very important. Be attentive, everyone. Operation Twist. In this proceeds from the sale of short-term securities is used to buy long-term government securities. This statement is correct. Now what is securities and what is short-term securities and what is long-term securities? You have to understand here in detail. See, securities is nothing but an instrument. It is a tradable instrument issued by Government of India and the state governments. These securities are sold to public, and public, it is a good platform for public to invest here. So many people invest in government securities as it is considered to be very safe. Now what is short-term securities and long-term securities? See, short-term securities are those instruments issued by government which is for tenure of less than 1 year, while for long-term securities it is issued either for 1 year or for more. So short-term securities are issued for interval of, let's say, 91 days, then for multiple of it 182 days, and then for 364 days. So it is issued in multiple of this 91 days, 182 days, and then 364 days. Now let us suppose that a person A bought a short-term security of rupees 25,000 for 91 days or for the tenure of 91 days. So how does this security sales or selling of entire security system takes place? Let's understand here that the face value of this security was 25,000, but it is sold to consumers or buyers of this security at discounted value. Discounted value here means some price is deducted from it. Let's say this security of face value of rupees 25,000 is sold to a public or to a buyer at rupees 24,600, let's say. So you bought this product and this security of 25,000 at just rupees 24,600. But after the maturity of this security, maturity here means completion of this 91 days, you will get 25,000 when you will return these securities to banks or to government. So here this is how it works. It is sold to at discounted value. So here discounted value was rupees 400, but once you return it after the maturity period of 91 days or whatever period for what it was bought, you will get the entire face value amount. See here the face value amount was 25,000. This is how it works. Similarly, it works in long-term securities as well, but long-term securities can be issued only for either 365 days or more than that, but not less than that. And Operation Twist is undertaken by central government of a country. So here both the statements are correct. So C is the right answer. Operation Twist was first appeared in 1961 when it was used by Central Bank of United States to strengthen US dollar and stimulate cash flows into the economy. So what happens in Operation Twist? Central bank of a country sells short-term securities and buys back long-term securities. So what will happen with this Operation Twist? Money will be supplied in the economy. And it was in news because Reserve Bank of India carried out Operation Twist in December 2019. But recently again, Reserve Bank of India has decided to conduct simultaneous purchase and sale of government securities under Operation Market or Open Market Operations. Now what is Open Market Operations? Open Market Operations, which is also called as OMO in short, is nothing but a tool of RBI. Under this tool, RBI tries to sell and buy back the securities from the market or to the market. This helps to manage the liquidity flow or the flow of currency into the market. Next question. Consider the following statements about NanoBlitz 3D. See, NanoBlitz 3D is an advanced tool for mapping nanomechanical properties of materials like multi-phase alloys and composites and multi-layered coatings. This statement is correct. Now again I will say that this is a question of science and technology. You might not be very familiar with these questions of science and technology, but there is no alternative but to remember. So remember that NanoBlitz 3D is an advanced tool for mapping nanomechanical properties. An International Advanced Research Center for Power Metallurgy and New Materials, in short called as ARCI, has developed this NanoBlitz 3D. So here both the statements are correct. So C is the right answer again. Next question now, again it is very important. Which is the second largest producer of lychee? So again India is the second largest producer of lychee. India was also the second largest producer of sugarcane. Now again here India is the second largest producer of lychee, while China is the largest producer of lychee. So here B is the right answer. And in India, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Jharkhand are the major lychee producing states. While in Bihar, precisely Muzaffarpur district accounts almost for 40% of the total lychee production in the country. Again, this has been in news because of effects of COVID-19 on production and sale of lychee. And the origin of lychee comes from southern China. And you have to remember an institute, National Research Center on Lychee, in short NRCL, which is located in Musahari in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, was established in 2001. It operates under Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and this institute was established by Ministry of Agriculture. Next question, again very important. Fourth generation or 4G biofuels means, so 4G biofuels means fuel from genetically engineered crops. Remember, genetically engineered crops. So here D is the right answer. Why this fourth generation is in use? Because government has decided to use the surplus rice to produce ethanol, and this ethanol will in return to be used to make hand sanitizer. Now let us understand what are fourth generation biofuels. See, there are four types of generations categorized by National Policy on Biofuels 2018. So these four categories are first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation biofuels. The first generation biofuels here denote biodiesel, and the second stage or second generation fuel is fuel from solid waste, and the third generation biofuels include butanol, while the fourth generation biofuel include fuel from genetically engineered crops. So I hope you understand all these fourth generation of biofuels. Now let's see some facts. See, Facebook has bought up 9.9% stakes in Reliance Industries Jio platforms at rupees 43,574 crore, which ends up at 5.7 billion US dollar, which is a mammoth investment. And as such, this makes it the largest FDI, that is foreign direct investment, for minority investments in India. So don't forget to like it, share the video and watch that video of second part of weekly current affairs and take that test too. While subscribe to the channel, answer the question in the comment section. Wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay at your home and stay safe.